So if that happened back in Canada, like your kid gets taken away. Well, that's social services right there. That's like bad parenting. I'm not even kidding. This is insane. This is insane. This guy's trying to lane split here. Nice.
अब इसको ये U-turn करना बहुत मजा आने वाला है. You're gonna enjoy on the next U-turn, bro. Because we'll be literally cutting through the. So imagine riding those bikes, Ducati and all this thousand.
What's the point? Yeah, what's the point? That's like the Duke 390 was so much fun last night. Like people are everywhere in these cars. They just jam in there. Every single car is like overcrowded, you know, more people than seatbelts. But that's just like, look at this bus. Tons of people in there.
Oh, that's not even like half full.
You'll find
I'll show you a full one,
you know,
which is tilting to one side.
10 kids in that car.
The concept of protection hasn't really picked up in India.
No, safety is number 5.
We're the third largest pop 200.
There we go, we found a Bajaj Pulsar 200. It's in the back there, the red bike there. That's the most common bike in India. Bajaj Pulsar 200.
And we have the Hero Honda.
Like everyone's just honking. This is insane. People are crossing. What the fuck?
They just jump off the bus.
Yeah.
When they feel like.
This guy's having a smoke. Yeah. That's it. Honestly, guys, this is just like this is mind blowing to me.
Single cylinder ghetto exhaust.
So you're working. There we go. Just create your own lane. Oh! The guy didn't even look. He just like wants to drive into you. People going the wrong way. No problem. This guy's just coming full speed. Before we go, this one's the Jeep we saw at the show, right? A couple days ago?
Yes.
Yes. That's right.
The Indian Jeep.
That's right. The Indian copycat.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So pan is that Christmas tree thing, right?
Yeah. No, not that. Where go triangle wala Christmas tree there. The shape is like Christmas tree, but not exactly like Christmas
It's like mint, right?
Yeah, it's like mint, yeah.
Mint, okay.
It's like what we eat after eating.
Oh, dessert.
Yeah, dessert.
Nice.
Kind of thing, yeah.
Awesome. So we met up with a bunch of the crew here.
Yeah.
Met these guys already.
Right.
What's your name again?
My name is Tathagat. I have a YouTube channel called Super Indian.
That's right, because that's your Jeep.
Yeah, that's.
But you weren't driving it though.
No, my friend was driving.
You're driving. So he's that baller, his friend drives him around.
Yeah.
Okay. This is how they make the pan. They do it all right here. It's called pan. So they're fixing bikes here in the street, a little shop right there. All the old mopeds. The so that was a call for prayer. It was blasted down these streets.
That's their way of showing.
Yeah, he just puts his finger, I'm coming this way. And they don't even look, they just go.
You're so funny.
So funny. It's next level out here, man. Next level. So what does the government, what does that car mean?
Government of Telangana. So Telangana is the name of the state we are in.
Okay. Don't jump red lights. Don't jump red lights. Everyone jumps. Your bike doesn't need it. Your head does. Oh, they do. They do
emphasize.
Yeah, they do emphasize some rules here.
Nobody
does it. Yeah. Nobody gives a shit.
Lala, first lancer mein se maro.
Bikes on bikes on bikes on bikes.
Bike रहे तो भैया ओरिजिन से लेके जाते थे वो चढ़ाव मार देते थे। कार नहीं घुसती नहीं वहाँ। बाइक नहीं घुसती। बाइक की जारी बड़ी।
फर्स्ट लांचर से आ रहे हो हम आगे निकल गए।
अच्छा ठीक है तो काम मिलता है कहीं पॉइंट पर रुको।
Mirror to the face.
कहीं भी रुको आगे।
कहाँ पे मालूम वो बजाज इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स के लिए देखने ही वाले।
रुक राइट।
हाँ।
Where is this guy's gonna go?
Everyone will find a way.
Everyone will find a way.
See, he stopped his bike in the middle of the road.
So if you honk a kid back home, man, oh my god, the parents will come and like kill ya.
खुदी हुई है क्या रोड ये? खुदी हुई है क्या आगे पूरी? खुदी हुई है पूरी.
We have now made a traffic jam. There's bikes coming from everywhere. What is that? Like an
R15?
R15, yeah, we don't have that.
That's an R15.
Ay.
That's a beef shop.
Beef shop. Naan bread. I didn't even know that. This kid's just cruising on his bicycle. This guy got married or something? A flower shop? Ooh, that kid almost got a car right to the face. Shoppers Bazaar.
It reminds me of GTA. What do you?
Yeah.
CJ.
No helmet. No helmet, no lights, no nothing. Because back home you have to have lights on your bicycle at nighttime. Cop will pull you over for that. This guy's cruising with his lemons. That's just so different over here. So Mahindra make scooters too?
Yeah.
I did not know
But
that.
They're fail. They fail in India, so imagine how horrible they must be.
Oh, they don't make scooters anymore?
They do, but they never sell.
Oh, they don't sell. Okay.
The sale numbers are really low.
Really low, yeah. I have these bikes back home, the R15. Look at that. Movie star. You think he's in MotoGP, boy? That's so cool. So that's a 125 or a 150?
150.
150cc? I guess so, R15, duh. So that's a
really
Suzuki?
Famous, yeah, it's really famous. This Jeep kind of thing, it's really famous here.
I like that. We don't have those.
It's called a Jimmy.
That's very cool.
It's really lightweight, hardly 800 kilos.
That is fancy. That's an electronics store there. That is nice. It looks so different compared to like all this and then bam, you know?
Okay, so do you have like liquor shops over there, or do you get those in general stores?
So
you buy your beer?
in United States, most of it is like you can get your food with, you know, liquor, like groceries. But where I live, it has to be a separate building. So all we have is liquor stores.
So I'll show you the biggest liquor store down south here.
Now we're talking. They got them DELs here too. There you go. It's the whitest thing I've seen all day besides me, Dunkin' Donuts. There we go. Right in traffic. Just big ass wheelie. It's hilarious. Get yourself a motherfucking real bag all the way here in India.
Porsche.
Got a nice car right here. Everyone's taking pictures by it. Yeah, this car I don't own. Woo! So right there's a bomb squad. It's actually cops, but they're just wearing like normal clothes.
Civil dress.
Crazy. What kind of car is that called?
That's an old Jeep.
Old Jeep. Hyderabad is a beautiful city. Let us keep it clean. And no one gives a fuck. This is nice. There we go. Royal Enfield, Indian made, FZ. There we go. Some nice cars here. M5. She's It's pretty. Oh, it looks like they're fixing like some key marks. They got keyed.